Oh, hello. Welcome to the Beetle Barn. My name is Justin Stevens, the proprietor of Beetle Barn, and been working on Volkswagens for nearly 40 years now. A company we service Volkswagens, Porsches, Audis, and BMWs. I've been in business here in Las Vegas for 60 years now. The business was started in 1959 by my father, Warren Stevens, who was at the time a flight mechanic out at Nellis Air Force Base. My dad got started into Volkswagens when he purchased a 1958 Volkswagen panel bus to use in his carpentry work that he was doing on the side while on the weekends when he was not reporting to the Air Force Base. And that bus broke the ring and pinion. When he went to the dealership to buy the parts, they told him, you won't be able to fix it, it requires special tools. He says, if you want to drive that bus that you said I would not be able to fix. So the owner of Sunland Motors and Jerry Allred jumped in the bus, went for a drive, came back, and they offered him a job on the spot. A lot of things that we take for granted today, he was actually instrumental in coming up with solutions for. And he's kind of instilled that same mentality in me. I started working for my dad when I was about 8 years old. Well, it wasn't really that I wanted to, but more that I was required to. So I began working for my dad, mopping floors, putting tools away, handing in whatever he needed, and then just being an overall helper. But I remember tuning up my first car at about 10 years old. Did my first engine when I was 18, and it actually worked. As a professional mechanic for him, since 1992. I decided to purchase the business from him, and in 1998 we made a deal for the purchase of the business, and I became the new owner. Someone asked me why would I want to make videos. Clearly, I have a face for radio. So my thought is I have 6 kids, and not a single one of them have any interest at all in mechanics or working on cars. As a profession. So there's a lot of things I've developed over the years, things my dad has shared with me and I've learned, as well as my own little tricks and sly ways to get things fixed without spending too much time and make it profitable. And so I figured I better figure out some way to record those things before I can't remember how to do them, or I just can't remember my name. So I decided we'd make these little videos, show the tricks that I've come up with, the shortcuts, the solutions to a lot of problems that we run into over the years working on Volkswagen.